Swatches, welcome back to another Resilient Beauty video. Thank you guys for joining me today. Today we are going to be doing part 2 of my blush haul swatch fest. It's what I'm going to probably call this. And this time we're going to be swatching on live on my skin the new Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Flushed Blushes in her 4 new shades. That's why I'm coming to you bare face. I do have skincare on, but if you watched the previous video, that will be the swatches of the Juvia's Place blushes, new cream blushes, and I was going to put it all in one video, but it would be extremely long, so we're going to break this up. So we're going to be using 2 brushes, one from Real Techniques, their Real Techniques 200 brush, and one from Juvia's Place, the Juvia's Place Angled Contour Brush J121 brush. And we're going to be swatching all 4 shades from the Yummy Skin Flushed Blush Collection in Red Velvet, Grape Soda, Spiced Latte, and Creme Brûlée. I am a fan of the Danessa Myricks Beauty brand, especially these cream blushes, and I couldn't wait to pick up all the shades. I didn't pick up all the shades when they were like on the day they were released because I have a monthly budget and that budget didn't reset until after, so that's when we got them. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the swatches. And we're going to go ahead and do Spiced Latte first. I will have product shots available for you guys. If you are a subscriber, if you check out my short form content, you will already have seen these swatches or the up close product shots. And we're going to go in with about that much. And we're going to see. Some of the shades are similar, but I don't mind it. I buy all of the Danessa Myricks, these blushes. I love them. I think I probably have every one. At this point, I do have 1 or 2 I haven't used yet, but we're going to do some looks with all Danessa Myricks products too. I love her brand, but this is pretty. This is pretty. I feel like this shade is an all year round shade. And I'm starting to do swatch videos now because it is hard for me to find on YouTube when I'm looking for a shade to see if I'm going to pick it up and see if the high important beauty influencers have posted something on them. I never can find a woman my shade complexion, and I even searched the product to see, and I just haven't been able to find one. So I said, well, let me start doing swatches because maybe another woman my complexion is having the same issue. So that's why we're going to start doing this. But this is so pretty. It looks more pretty in person. I really like this shade. This is cute. For me, it's very close to the pan. Very close. I do like that about the Danessa Myricks, that usually what you get in the pan is actually how it's going to look on your skin. I'm going to build this up just a little bit more because this is so pretty. The formula is so amazing. So amazing. I love it. If you're looking for a more affordable option, the Juvia's Place cream blushes is very similar to the Danessa Myricks formula. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, I believe these retail for $25, the Danessa Myricks, and the Juvia's Place cream blushes retail for $16, that you can use a discount or some type of money off at Ulta for, so it makes them a little bit more affordable. But the Danessa Myricks cream blushes are still very affordable. I like this shade. I really like this Spiced Latte shade, and don't let the name fool you. You can still wear this shade all year round. I like this shade. And we're going to use Creme Brulee on the other cheek because they are similar in shade, so you can see the difference. Because when you look at them online, they look like just get one or the other, but they're a little bit different in person. So I went in with about that much. Oh yeah, this is pretty. This is a pretty brown. This is more brown than this one. This one is more red. This one is more brown. You can actually probably get away with using this if you're my skin tone as a bronzer. Yeah, you can probably get away with this one as a bronzer too. So if like you're traveling, you don't want to take too many products, you can get away with this as a bronzer and a blush. This is pretty though. I'm glad I picked up both. Yeah, I like this. It reminds me of the Huda Beauty one that I have. The liquid one and we're going to swatch these two in another video. But it reminds me of the Huda Beauty one that I have. That's the liquid. I forgot what the shade is. But that would pair well with this. That would really pair well with this. And this 200 brush is on point with applying them. You're not going to miss with Danessa Myricks. Not with these products. Love her down. Alright, that's those two shades. We're going to wipe these off, clean up the brush, and then we're going to come back with the last two shades, which are Red Velvet and Grape Soda. Next up, we're going to do Grape Soda. So there you are for Grape Soda. That's about how much I applied. If you hear the wind, it's very windy here, so I'm sorry. This is pretty, and I wanted a true purple blush. I have been looking for years for a true purple blush on my skin tone, and it's been hard for me to find one. This one has still got a little pink undertone in it, but it is more purple, which I like. Look at this. Look at this. Danessa, let me tell you something, girl. Tell them don't play with you, honey. You did not come to play. I'm just building it up, y'all. I can't even count. I got so excited. I can't even count how many times I dug into this. But there you go. That's how it looks on my skin tone. This is pretty. It's a little bit more pink, though. I still want a little bit more purple in it. But it's getting there. It's getting there. I want a brand to come out with a true purple blush. True purple blush. I have been waiting years. I've been on the hunt years for a true purple blush. This one's more of a little bit of a violet, but I want a true purple. I may just have to use an eyeshadow or a liquid eyeshadow to get it, but this is closer. This is closer. We're going in with Red Velvet. That's Red Velvet, and I did about this much. Okay, this one still red, but you gotta, I'm building it up, so still a good swatch in there so you guys can really see. Okay, so these are pretty true to pan color on your skin. I like this one. I would never wear it like this on either side. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video to show you guys. But this is how it looks on my skin. I am also going to be doing videos taking pictures of when I wear them so that you can see how they look, how I naturally would wear it. But I'm just showing you on actual skin like what it looks like. But again, these are another hit. I like all 4 shades. I'm glad I picked up all 4 shades. I could have waited till the Sephora sale, but I wanted them now. I wanted them now, so it's okay. I think this is good. Don't try mine the gray hair and the hair. We're going to come back and be all glammed up in the last video of this blush series, the Blush Extravaganza series, or wherever I called it. I have to, editing, Resilient Beauty, go with the first name you said in the video. But I am glad I picked these up. These are so nice. And this is how I wanted to show you guys how they look on skin without any other products on, so that you can see the true shade. But we'll also do a look on top of makeup so you can see how they work with other products. Usually the Danessa Myricks cream products work very well with other products. I've never had an issue with her products not working well with foundation and other foundations, powders, and all that kind of stuff. So there you have it. So that concludes this Swatch Fest video of the Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Blushes in her 4 new shades: Red Velvet, Grape Soda, Creme Brulee, and Spiced Latte. I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share with a girly friend that loves beauty and makeup just as much as we do over here. And I'll see all you beauties in the next Resilient Beauty video. Bye.